Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best 3D sublimation vacuum heat press machines that are available on the market for their true quality. If you're looking for a new addition to your crafting arsenal, or even starting a small business, this guide is perfect for you. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the A4 size 3D sublimation film heat transfer film, 100 sheets for 3D vacuum heat press machine printing. This product is ideal for those who are looking to get started with sublimation printing without spending too much upfront. With 100 sheets included, it's designed for small-scale projects like customizing ceramic plates and phone cases. The design is straightforward, with a rough surface that allows for higher dye loads, resulting in vivid colors and sharp image transfers. However, its build quality is slightly underwhelming compared to other options, as the sheets tend to curl under certain humidity conditions. This can make handling a bit tricky, especially for beginners. Performance-wise, the transfer quality is decent, but not exceptional. While it works well with 3D vacuum heat presses, the results can sometimes lack the vibrant finish that you'd expect from a premium product. With a 2.8-star rating, it's clear that user satisfaction isn't the highest. That said, if you're a hobbyist or someone who doesn't need professional-grade output, this budget-friendly option could be a good starting point. Pros include affordability and decent color vibrancy, while the cons are its fragile build and limited versatility. Coming in at number 4, we have the PYD Life 3-in-1 Mini Combo Heat Press Machine for label tags, caps, and pens. This versatile machine is perfect for those who need a multifunctional tool for a wide range of sublimation projects. With a 550-watt heating system, it offers precise temperature control up to 482 degrees Fahrenheit, making it ideal for small-scale projects like t-shirt labels, pens, and even Christmas ornaments. The design is compact and user-friendly, featuring a large touchscreen control box for easy adjustments. It also comes with 3 separate attachments for flat surfaces, hats, and pens, which makes it highly versatile. However, at 42.4 pounds, it's not the most portable option. The build quality is solid, but the bulky design could be a downside for users with limited workspace. In terms of performance, the machine delivers consistent results, especially for smaller items. The ability to press up to 10 pens at once is a standout feature for those handling bulk orders. However, the learning curve is slightly steeper compared to other products on this list, and some users have reported issues with uneven pressure. Overall, it's a great option for crafters who want versatility and don't mind the weight. Pros include its multifunctionality and high-quality results, while cons are its bulkiness and slightly complicated setup. At number 3, we have the HTVRANT phone case heat press machine with auto 3D vacuum heat. This machine is specifically designed for phone cases, but its versatility extends to badges, coasters, and other small items. Its advanced 3D vacuum press technology ensures vibrant and bubble-free transfers, wrapping designs flawlessly around curves up to 135 degrees. The design of this heat press is sleek and compact, with a lavender-purple finish that stands out. It's lightweight at 15.36 pounds, making it relatively portable. The adjustable mold is compatible with most popular Android phone models, eliminating the need for frequent replacements. This is a significant advantage for users who need flexibility without the added cost. Performance-wise, this machine is a winner. It features precise temperature control and one-button operation, making it easy to use even for beginners. The built-in templates and alignment tools ensure perfect positioning, which significantly improves accuracy. However, it's worth noting that this machine is more niche-focused and may not be the best option for those wanting to work on larger items. Pros include its precision and ease of use, while cons are its limited application and higher learning curve for non-phone case projects. At number 2, we have the PYD Life Sublimation Oven Machine 25-liter accessories, 3D vacuum sublimation tray, and pump set. This set is designed to work exclusively with the PYD Life 25-liter sublimation oven, making it a specialized tool for crafting enthusiasts and small business owners. This product is compact and easy to store, weighing only 13 pounds. The build quality is solid, with a durable metal body. It's designed for curved sublimation blanks like phone cases and earphone cases, and it delivers exceptional results with vivid colors and sharp details. However, it requires separate molds for specific items, which can add to the overall cost. In terms of performance, the vacuum tray and pump set are highly effective for creating bright and professional finishes. It's an excellent choice for those who already own a compatible oven and want to expand their crafting capabilities. The main drawback is its limited compatibility, as it only works with the 25-liter sublimation oven. Pros include its excellent performance and compact design, while cons are its dependency on a specific oven model and the need for additional molds. Finally, at number 1, we have the HTV-RONT H17 phone cases heat press. This is the ultimate tool for those looking to create professional phone case designs with minimal effort. Its advanced 3D full-wrap vacuum technology ensures vibrant, bubble-free transfers, wrapping patterns around edges and curves flawlessly. This makes it a favorite among professionals and small business owners. The design is modern and user-friendly with a clean, white finish. What sets this machine apart is its universal adjustable fixtures, which make it compatible with a wide range of phone models, including iPhones and popular Android devices. The free design software powered by AI is another standout feature, allowing users to adjust patterns, perform mirror processing, and create sublimation-ready files with ease. In terms of performance, this machine is unrivaled. It heats up quickly, reaching 130 degrees Celsius in just 2 minutes, and offers precise temperature control for consistent, high-quality results. The included starter kit makes it a great option for beginners, while its advanced features cater to the needs of experienced users. With its versatility, ease of use, and professional-grade results, this machine takes the top spot. Pros include its advanced technology, wide compatibility, and included design software, while the only con might be its higher price point. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.